Sleep. Because there's a grace now just by touching you or saying something or looking at you or blowing over you. You are carried to arenas. Sleep. Sleep. You want it as well. Oh, Father, give to them all. My name is Vanilla Alexandre. I want to thank the Father Apostle Onório Cutane for locating me because today was my day. I was healed, delivered. Because while I was coming, I was feeling strong headaches, and it was as if it was an energy that what I received is hard to explain, but I know I received the grace of God, and through me, I know that my whole family was set free, and I thank again, because yes, my spiritual father, I'm grateful for his life today and forever. Amen. Sleep. Because there's a grace now that just by touching you, saying something, or looking at you, or blowing upon you, you are carried to arenas. Sleep. Sleep.